How to make Springtrap, the full suit. Start by measuring the length of your bicep and the circumference of it. Cut 2 pieces of foam to that size. Hot glue the sides together to make it a cylinder. Cut triangular slits, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Make one end have longer triangles so that when you hot glue them together, the end caves in more. Test it out to make sure they fit well. Now trim the edges. Take a red Sharpie and find an image online and trace the scars and cuts. Take an X-Acto blade or some scissors and cut the scars out. Do it for both of them. Now hot glue it onto the fabric. Trim some of the excess off and fold what's left inside. Take an X-Acto blade and scissors and cut where the scars are. Do it for both of them and you'll get something like this. Dab a piece of foam into some black paint, take some of the paint off, and apply it onto the fabric. This is what the top part of the arms look like. For the shoulders, I cut circular discs and then the triangle method so that they would be a little domed. I then cut some holes and scars and added the fabric in black paint. Now I'm hot gluing the shoulders onto the body. So far, this is what it's looking like. Now measure the length of your forearm and the circumference of it. Now draw and cut out 2 pieces of foam. Hot glue the ends together. Now trim the edges. Do the triangle slits like you did with the top portion of the arms. Make the end that will be closest to your hands have the triangle be longer. Now use a reference photo to draw on the scars and holes. Cut them out using an X-Acto blade or scissors. Do it for both of them and you should get something like this. Now hot glue them onto the fabric. Cut the edges and fold the loose ones inside. Take an X-Acto blade or some scissors and cut where the holes and scars are. Fold the excess fabric inside. Do it for both of them and you'll get something like this. Lightly dab on some black paint. This is how it looks so far. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 4. Peace.